Good God. Well, good morning from Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. Never did a vlog here before. It's my first time doing a vlog here, and I'm excited to have a great and fantastic day. Going to be doing a lot of coasters, seeing a lot of animals. This is the first time I've vlogged here in the day. Last time I was here, we were at Hollow Scream at night. So I'm looking to have an awesome, fantastic day. Like I said, it's a beautiful sunny day, as you would have seen in Tampa. So let's get inside and check it out. Welcome to Busch Gardens. Just a fun fact, Busch Gardens is one of my favorite parks in the world, I might as well tell you. It was this park that broke me out to so many big major coasters. Being that my favorite coaster is in this park and it's called Sheikah. You're going to see that one later. I'll be riding that. But I'm just excited to be back here. First time since the pandemic, since I've been here. And it feels so good to be back at home. I hope you're excited. We're on the Cobra Curse now. Watch how much fun this is going to be. So we just did the Cobras Curse nice family ride. That was awesome. Awesome family ride. Now we're going to head for Cheetah Hunt, because you know that's one of my favorite launch coasters in Florida. So you're going to see us riding that in a few. Cheetah Hunt. You guys ready now, sir? Yeah. You scared? Yeah. Alright, we're on Cheetah Hunt, y'all. Yeah, we're too late now. Woo! Oh my God! We're too late now! Woo! Oh my God! Hey, that's awesome! Hey, that's awesome! Screaming like that! That's use the duck, you know! That's the use the duck! Let's go! Hold on tight! Hold on tight! That is it! Alright! Nasa, how was it? You like it? Nasa, how was Cheetah Hunt, your first ride? How was it?
It was really good.
Really good? Yeah, you enjoyed it? Yeah, y'all, so that was their first ride on Cheetah Hunt, and they really loved it. They really loved it. So we're here eating at the Serengeti Overlook, and we got ourselves some pizza. I thought we would have burgers, but you know we're doing the all-day dining here as well. I don't think I'm going to be eating as much because we got a lot of coasters to go. You got your cheesecake, your lemonade. Everyone's eating our cheese pizza, and then we're going to head to the back of the park to see what else we can ride and check out. But I'm enjoying my day so far. One thing about this park, it has a lot of scenery. As we're about to see the lions. The lions. That's Paigey. Paigey enjoyed Cobras Curse? Yeah, a good family ride. So now we're walking up to see the lions and the hyenas. When you're Bahamians trying to get animals' attention. Look here. This is my favorite, scariest coaster, y'all. Woo! Oh my gosh. See how high that is? That's the drop we're going down. Oh my gosh. Got a long way up. Oh my god. There goes the new coaster, Quasi. Supposed to be opening up this summer. Oh, look at this view. Yes, scream, scream, scream! Woo! Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Oh God! Y'all about to scream. Jesus! Woo! Oh my gosh. Wow. Ashigwa. Alright, go on, Tigerist. We are on Stanley Falls. Woo! Alright, we got a little drop coming up. You ready? You ready? Woo! Oh! That was about it. Oh, oh, we speeding. Oh, wow. Oh! Alright, y'all, we got on the big drop now. Ready, books? Here we go! Woo! Whoa! Woo! So you just saw where we got off Stanley Falls. Now we're gonna see if we could find some tigers and head over by Falcon Fury. I don't know if I'm gonna ride Falcon Fury today, but we're heading over to that area to see what is there. It's been a great day so far. Didn't get to eat much because I know I'll be riding plenty inside of this park. Alright, we're on Kumba now. I think this is Busch Gardens, one of Busch Gardens oldest coasters. Going on Kumba. Tell you there's no drop. Yep, going all the way up there. All right. Oh, look how high we going. We're going all the way up here. Oh my God. Y'all, I can never record properly on this. Look at this drop. Look at it. Oh my God.
No.
So that's where we just came off. The tall Falcon Fury. Y'all, that is massive. Massive, 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 massive.
They scream so loud.
What did we do?
Scream so loud.
It's been a wonderful day, y'all. Wonderful day here at Busch Gardens. So now the park is closed. Just came off of Falcon's Fury. And now we're headed home. We're headed home. I don't know if we're going to see the dolphin, not the dolphins. Look at me talking about the dolphins. I thought we were going to see the elephants. We're going to try to see if we can get some of that. Unfortunately, hold on, y'all. Look here. Look here. Elephant on the loose. Look here. On the loose. Look here. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The elephant. But yeah, the tigers seemed like they were hiding. The tigers and the orangutan. They didn't have them out. We could go this way now, sir. They didn't have them out. So unfortunately we couldn't see those animals. We're going to check, see if we can still see the elephants for you. And we're going to head out of here. There goes the Ellies. And you can smell them before you can see them. It's been an awesome, fantastic day. Thanks for visiting. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you had fun with me. This is my first vlog being here at Busch Gardens Tampa, and it has been a blast for me. Got to ride most of the rides. Weather was fairly well, and that much I'm satisfied with. So if you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Your first time viewing this channel, please give it a subscribe. If these are the things you like to do, adrenaline rushes and having fun, you can join us and just click it by just clicking that subscribe button. But that'll be all for us today. Remember, all things are possible
when you believe.
So I'll see you guys in the next vlog.